Imagine sitting down to work. You open your laptop with a clear goal in mind, but within minutes, a notification pops up, then another. A quick scroll on social media turns into 20 minutes. Your focus disappears. By the end of the day, you're busy, but somehow nothing meaningful gets done. Now imagine the opposite. You sit down to work. Minutes pass, then hours. You're completely focused. Ideas flow effortlessly. Your mind is clear. Your productivity skyrockets. This mental state is called flow, and learning how to enter it can completely change your life. But a quick warning, if you haven't done a dopamine detox yet, check my last video. This technique will feel twice as hard because your brain is still wired for high stimulation. But if your brain is ready, here is how you achieve 4 hours of work in only 60 minutes. Today, we're diving into the science of deep work and how you can train your mind to achieve extraordinary focus in a world designed to distract you. Let's start with a simple story. Meet Daniel. Daniel was talented, ambitious, and full of ideas. But every evening, he felt frustrated. He worked long hours, yet his goals kept slipping further away. One day, he realized something powerful. His problem wasn't a lack of effort. It was a lack of focus. Every notification, every message, every distraction was quietly stealing pieces of his attention. And attention is the most valuable currency of the modern world. Daniel decided to try something different. Instead of working longer hours, he decided to work deeper. Deep work is the ability to focus intensely on a single task without distraction. When you enter this state, something incredible happens. Your brain starts connecting ideas faster. Problems become easier to solve. Learning becomes quicker. Psychologists call this flow state, the moment when challenge and skill meet perfectly. Athletes experience it. Artists experience it. Great entrepreneurs experience it. Time seems to disappear, and the quality of your work multiplies. The good news? Flow is not a rare talent. It's a trainable skill. Daniel started with his environment. He noticed something simple. Distractions weren't random. They were designed. Apps, notifications, endless feeds, all competing for attention. So he made a decision. For 2 hours every morning. Phone on silent. Social media blocked. Only one task open. At first, it felt uncomfortable. His brain wanted stimulation. But after a few days, something changed. His focus started lasting longer. What used to take 5 hours now took 2. The lesson? Your environment shapes your focus more than your willpower. Design it wisely. Next, Daniel learned something about the brain. Human focus naturally works in cycles. Most people can sustain intense concentration for about 60 to 90 minutes. After that, the brain needs a short reset. So Daniel started working in deep work blocks. 90 minutes of complete focus, followed by 15 minutes of rest. No screens during the break, just walking, stretching, or breathing. Something amazing happened. Instead of feeling exhausted, he felt energized. His brain was finally working with its natural rhythm. Attention works like a muscle. If it's constantly interrupted, it becomes weak. If it's trained, it becomes powerful. Daniel started practicing something simple. Every day, he spent 5 minutes in silence. No phone, no music, no distractions, just observing his thoughts. This small habit strengthened his ability to stay focused during work. Because the truth is, focus isn't just about eliminating distractions. It's about building mental endurance. 6 months later, Daniel's life looked different. He wasn't working more hours, but he was creating better results. His projects moved faster. His ideas became clearer. His confidence grew. While others were drowning in distractions, he was building momentum. And that's the hidden power of deep work. It doesn't just improve productivity. It transforms who you become. You become someone who finishes what they start. Someone who creates meaningful work. Someone who moves closer to their biggest goals every single day. We live in the most distracted era in history. But that also means something incredible. The ability to focus has become a superpower. Every hour of deep work puts you ahead of thousands of distracted people. So start small. 1 focused hour. 1 distraction-free session. 1 step toward mastery. Because the people who shape the future are not the ones who work the most. They're the ones who can focus the deepest. And today, you can begin training that power. Your future work, your goals, and your dreams are waiting on the other side of your focus. But here is the truth most people won't tell you. Deep work is a sprint, but your life is a marathon. Even the most intense focus will eventually fail if you're relying on willpower to start every single day. In my next video, I'm breaking down the science of unbreakable habits. I'll show you how to stop relying on motivation and how to design a productivity system that runs on total autopilot, so your financial output grows even when you don't feel like working. Make sure you're subscribed and have notifications turned on so you don't miss that release. It's the missing piece to making your success inevitable. I'll see you in the next one.